What's up guys, Jesse here at Witt Auto of Green Bay with another deal of the day for you. Today what I have for you is something special. It's a little bit something that I like to drive. We have a 2013 Ford Focus ST. Silver, tinted windows, black leather interior. 6-speed manual, 2.0 turboed engine. Does have that Sony sound system. Got the wind visors. Some beautiful ST rims. This nice sleek little ST could be yours. You can give me a call, 920-416-5650. It's got 97,000 miles on her, and it's here at the Green Bay Witt Auto, corner of Velpa Military. I'm Jesse. Give me a call, 920-416-5650. See you there, guys.